Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a mobile POS or mPOS works step by step in a simple and easy way. To begin with, a mobile POS is a smartphone or tablet that uses a payment app, and it is often connected to a small card reader. It allows a seller to accept payments anywhere, such as in small shops, restaurants, delivery services, markets, events, or outdoor businesses. First, the seller opens the mPOS app on a smartphone or tablet. This app works like a digital cash counter, where the seller can manage the sale and prepare the payment process. Next, the seller enters the items and the total amount into the app. For example, the customer may buy coffee, a sandwich, and a water bottle, and the app calculates the final bill, such as $13.50. After that, the customer chooses a payment method. The customer may pay by debit card, credit card, tap or NFC payment, mobile wallet, or QR code, depending on what the mPOS system supports. Then, the customer taps, inserts, swipes, or scans to make the payment. If the customer uses a card, it may be tapped or inserted into the small card reader. On the other hand, if the customer uses a phone wallet or QR code, the payment can be completed through the mobile device. After the payment details are captured, the mPOS system encrypts the payment data. This means the customer's card or wallet information is changed into a secure protected code so that it cannot be easily stolen during transfer. Then the encrypted transaction is sent through the internet. The mPOS app sends the payment request to the payment gateway, bank, or payment processor through a secure online connection. Next, the bank checks the payment details and decides whether to approve or decline the transaction. If the customer has enough balance and the details are correct, the payment is approved. On the other hand, if there is a problem such as insufficient funds or incorrect information, the payment may be declined. Finally, when the payment is approved, the receipt is shared with the customer by email, SMS, or digital share option. At the same time, the sale is recorded in the business dashboard so the seller can track sales, transactions, and payment status in real time. In short, a mobile POS system works by using a smartphone or tablet, an mPOS app, a card reader or NFC support, an internet connection, and a payment gateway or bank account. Together, these parts help the business accept cashless payments quickly, safely, and conveniently. Therefore, mPOS is useful because it is portable, flexible, fast, and easy to use. It helps businesses accept payments anywhere, reduce checkout time, serve customers better, and keep sales records automatically. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.